what they eat, when they eat, how much they eat, the amount of milk, the quality of milk, where they move, when they move, their health, and the way they feel. Every single piece of data leads to insights which are vital for the health of your cows, the success of your farm, and your personal well-being. Let's make that data work for you. It's time for the next step in milking. It's time for Next. The new Lely Astronaut A5 Next. The next step in optimizing your life as a farmer. Our improved milking robot combines over 30 years of experience and innovation with the latest and most advanced technologies, which seamlessly integrate with the rest of your farm. The A5 Next simplifies your life with enhanced diagnostics and service insights powered by a completely renewed operating system. A smart partner combined with Lely Horizon that compares results from thousands of farms worldwide to optimize your farm management. The Astronaut A5 Next offers great ease of use, reliability, better insights into your cow's health, and a solid return on investment, together with the service and farm management support of our global Lely Center network. The A5 Next is the next step in turning your robot into your partner, so you will be ready for the technology of today, tomorrow, and beyond. To continue to do what you've always done best, being a dairy farmer. The Lely Astronaut A5 Next. Stay ahead of your future.